Hi everybody. I was gifted these dog stairs. I wanted to show you inside first. You can use these indoor or outdoor. What I love about them is they are compact and they can fit under a couch or under a bed. They have a really nice handle, so they're portable. They are made of aluminum and wood, and the top part of the stairs is covered with like AstroTurf. These are so nice because you can adjust from a high to a low angle. So all you do is you pull these to open. That's it. Look how amazing that is. Okay, so you can have them at this angle or at a lower incline depending on your car or your dog's needs. You also have these really nice silicone covers on the top, and this has a little bit of like a grippy surface. And then you also have the reflective tape on here just so everyone can see it and no one trips over it. Locking feature on the side right there, and then you can just put it down. There is also a carabiner on the top that you can clip to your car for extra security. So let's take this out and see how it works. Okay, here is the Veehoo dog ramp. It's great for your car. I have a small SUV. It is non-slip with that artificial grass surface. Portable, the aluminum makes it really nice and lightweight, but very strong. It supports up to 170 pounds. I love that it just fits right in the back of my car. The reflectors are really nice. We had to use a treat to have Peppa use this for the first time, but look at that. So easy for my little tiny dog to get into the car. This is awesome. Loving it and recommend.